I think traveling is one of the best ways to open up your worldview and to meet other people and to see their lives and the way that they live by stepping into their communities is one of the most impactful things that you can do.
I think it's more than what I would have expected. Initially, I was like, oh, what all can we see? But everything we visited has been amazing. Each city, each place has a different, I guess, I'm gonna use a science term, DNA. So it just makes it even more enjoyable because you never know what's around the corner.
It's awesome to connect with other like-minded educators who value social studies and value using their summer to grow as a professional.
Largest lignite deposit. This has been around since 1996.
We have guides with us who help us understand the meaning of what we're seeing. I think it would be easy to get lost in foreign languages, but we're able to really understand what it is and why we're here.
Wait, how many times are you going to do it? I want to do it.
Yeah, that's good.
Just experiencing the Point Alpha today, this place that I've heard about so many times that I teach my students on, but actually being there, it's illuminating to get a visual perspective of what the distance was, the life there on that border.
My knowledge of the Cold War, I thought I knew really about the history, and today I realized I learned more than I've ever known in my whole life. Also hearing this experience of Monica Held not being able to go across the border ever, and her experience of putting her hands on the wall the day that the wall came down, that was also very impactful.
One unique highlight was spending time with the German school children this morning. They had prepared questions for us about our jobs as teachers in America, and then they prepared a tour of their school. It was so interesting to hear their own voices and then have time to walk with them around their community, asking them questions about what they enjoy and how they hope to change the world.
As an educator, we have the opportunity to give students windows into other cultures. Knowing that all of my travels open up my mind to different things, that's why I keep doing this.